that it would continue to print money via QE. Isn't this a boost for gold price, or are we seeing the upside now from your assessment?
By the mid of July, there was a speech from the Fed chairman, and then it showed that the timeline for reducing QE has not been set yet. After this announcement, the gold price has been shoot up for almost $60 per troy ounce for that week, and still continues to going up until now. So whenever there's a news about the QE, and then if the news indicate that the QE still continues, so of course it will boost the gold price to go up higher.
Is there any negative factor which might affect the gold prices apart from the QE?
So right now, for QE should be one of the major news that will affect the gold price, because once the Fed decides to reduce the amount of QE, then it will reduce the gold price also. So this is one of the major news that investors have to monitor, and the rest will be in terms of the U.S. number. For example, tonight there is a new home sales numbers, or we have to watch out the numbers mainly in the employment. For example, tomorrow there will be the jobless claim numbers. So all of these U.S. economic numbers will affect the gold price, because right now the gold price go opposite with the dollar index. So the stronger of the dollars index, the weaker of the gold price.
Khun Tipa, other commodities like oil are also seeing higher prices. So do you think that gold price is moving along with the other commodities?
For right now, the gold price is not moving along with the oil so much. However, but for other commodities such as silver, it's still going in the same direction. So right now, if we have a look at the correlation of the asset that the gold price moving along with, it will be the euro. So the correlations of the gold price and euro is around 0.86, so it's very high. And then for US dollar index, it is negative 0.85. So it is obviously opposite direction with dollar. So right now, if investor in terms of the short-term investor, if they want to see how's the gold price, then they have to monitor that the euro, the stronger of the euro, then the higher of the gold price.
Well, China has been accumulating gold massively, so how would this affect the demand or supply in this region, or even Thailand?
Right now, China and India still still the major buyer of the gold. For this year, according to the World Gold Council numbers, they announced that there's possibilities that China for this year will buying the gold for around 1,000 tons, and for India, the number should be around 800 tons. Even though the India has been increasing the tax for importing gold, however, there's still a high demand in India. So these both countries still one of the main countries that buying the gold in terms of physical demand. That makes the gold price, as we can see from last month, that when there is a big drop in the gold price, but still the gold price should be able to hold above 1,200 US dollar per troy ounce, because there's still a strong buying from these two countries.
And Khun Tipa, what would be your suggestions for local investors?
For local investor, in terms of the short-term investor, we still recommend them to buy and sell in the range. However, in this short terms, the gold price has the possibilities to shoot higher. So the range for this week and next week will be between 1,320 US dollar per troy ounce. This will be the support. And then the resistance level will be the level 1,320 US dollar per troy ounce. And for a couple of weeks, if the gold price still can hold above 1,400 US dollar per troy ounce, so they might have a chance for the gold price to go back for the uptrend. But overall, right now, if it still cannot hold above 1,370 and 1,400, so overall, it's still considered as the downtrend of the gold price.
Right.
Thank you so much, Kuntipa, for joining our program tonight.
Have a good night. And now we're shifting our focus to regional stories as Cambodia is gearing up for the 2013 general elections set to take place over this weekend.